Hi, my name is Desiree and this is my week 4 assignment for MDF2. And what we did this week was create a mobile app that's pretty much a movie theater, um, an app where you can access information about different theaters and movies that are playing and showtimes, and then also view trailers. So my app is called Cinema, and go ahead and load it. And what I did was I created 2 custom objects called movie theater data and preview player, and those 2 objects tie into the view controller and are going to pull this information that I have and display it in my app. And I also created a custom header label cell and a table view cell. So this would be my custom header, and what we wanted to happen was when you're scrolling through the custom headers, they're going to change. So you see here Alamo Drafthouse, but if I keep scrolling to the next movie theater, it's going to give me the next, and so on. And I also created the custom cells here with the image, the title of the movie, and the show times, and then a detail page. So once you click on one of the cells, then you're going to go into the details about that specific movie and the show times again. And then of course, like I said, we created the trailer. So here's all the movies that I created, a list of 15 movies. And then down here is just the different custom object information that it's pulling in, and the detail view, the header cell, and the custom table cell. So it's going to pull in all this information that I had stored. So once you hit trailer, what it's going to do is I have a back button that I created, and then I created a play button and a stop button. So once I play, it should play that movie trailer for me. So you can kind of listen to that for a second. This is for Captain Phillips. Okay, so you have a preview of that trailer, and that's going to play for a while, and you can stop it at any time. So I'm going to go ahead and stop it so I can continue on with my code. And then you can go back and of course go through them, and it's going to show you a trailer for each one of them. I'm going to show you just like a couple of seconds, and then I'm going to turn it off so I can continue on. It's kind of spooky. Okay, so this is what we had to do, and then in my custom objects, movie theater one, I have the name and location and the image, which is here, and then on my preview player, I created the array of show times, title of the movie, the URL, and then the different theaters. And this is all the information that I used to get it back. So once you go into the view controller, there's that array with that information that I wanted to get back, which is the title of the movie, which I just typed in here, and the show times that I made up. Most of them are kind of accurate, and then I got my poster image and my URL link from trailers.apple.com. Now, one thing that I did have problems with was the link. So if you want to know how to get the video to show up, just make sure that when you're going to trailers.apple.com that you actually click on the trailer. Some of them, if there's more than one, you have to change this number here, maybe to 1 or 2, and you have to play with it. And then you have to change, this is supposed to say trailers, and you would just change it to movies, and that's how you're going to get that link to work. And that's what I had to do. So that gave me some problems. I did have to play with all of them, so it took me some time to finish it. But that's what we had to do. And then of course, make sure you import your images that you're using for each movie theater. And that's pretty much all we had to do for this week, and everything seemed to be working. Like I said, the only thing I got stuck on was trying to get the trailers to work, but again, you just have to play with that a little bit. So that's gonna be it. That is Cinema, and good luck in your next class.